So many people want to get in on the NFT action, but they are discouraged because they don't have the money to purchase these digital assets. What if I told you that you can own NFTs with as little as $0? Hello and welcome to Wealth Wiz. My name is Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to claim and sell NFTs for free. Want to know how to get into the NFT space without spending any money? Then grab your pen and paper and stay till the end of the video. Non-fungible tokens have taken the world by storm, with some of the world's most well-known celebrities joining the decentralized finance movement. The game has changed for digital communities and networking in general because of these digital assets. But what a lot of people don't know is that some projects within these communities give free mints or airdrops to qualifying holders, making it a fun opportunity for new investors to get free NFTs. In order for some projects to get off their feet, they provide free NFT mints or airdrop NFTs to individuals. Getting involved in the NFT community is the best method to find free mints. Browse OpenSea and Twitter to find upcoming mints. Keep an eye out for malicious projects or individuals when looking for upcoming NFT mints. You should gather as much information as you can about the creators and the project's goals before getting involved. Now I'm going to show you some of the things you can do in order to get free NFTs. Number 1. Look out for Twitter NFT giveaways. If you're into NFT, Twitter is the first place you should go. Many creators typically announce upcoming NFT projects on Twitter, and some of these projects also start free NFT giveaways as a promotional tool. Despite the fact that giveaways are held across all social media channels, Twitter appears to be flooded with the most NFT giveaways. You'll be shocked at how many Twitter accounts are open for giveaways if you search for the hashtag NFT giveaway right now. Usually these giveaways require that you follow and retweet some tweets. They might also request that you share their project on your profile and tag a number of people and let them know about the project. The ability to win a giveaway isn't entirely in your hands, but you'll definitely increase your chances of winning if you participate in more and more giveaways. One tip is to follow new projects and creators and join their Discord channel. Participate in tasks and follow them on Instagram. Number 2. Anticipate and participate in NFT Airdrops. NFT Airdrops are another wonderful way for creators to raise excitement about their NFTs. Getting free NFT through airdrops is usually more difficult than getting free NFT through giveaways. However, airdrops are more common with larger NFT programs. As a result, even if you only obtain one free NFT from an airdrop, you can make a fortune. With a floor price of 108 ETH, that's about $280,000, the Bored Ape Yacht Club is now regarded as the world's most valuable NFT collection, and in the recent past, the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT was airdropped, which was worth millions. You should already be aware that airdrops are not as widely available as NFT giveaways. However, even minor NFT players strive to include airdrops into their strategy, and it doesn't hurt to join their community and receive a free limited edition NFT as a gift. Some airdrops require that you own a minimum amount of a specific asset, such as a specific NFT, or that you use a specific service that qualifies you to get an airdrop, such as trading on the marketplace. Number 3. Playing play-to-earn games. Throughout the past 50 years of home video gaming, games have always been viewed as a diversion, something to take your mind off a long day's job. However, a new generation of video games that employ blockchain technology, such as NFTs to reward players with cryptocurrency, have changed the narrative. These play-to-earn games are already allowing gamers to make a living playing video games in some nations, with scholarship programs and academies springing up to help players navigate this weird new world. These games frequently have no upfront costs. As long as you play them, you'll most likely be rewarded with free NFT tokens that may be redeemed. To start playing such games, go to playtoearn.net and select the best NFT project where you see the potential of making money and start playing. This is really a very simple means to obtain free NFT. Unlike traditional games where in-game objects are stored on closed data networks and owned by the game's creators, NFTs allow users to own the unique assets they buy in the game. Furthermore, if you acquire an NFT, you can freely sell it outside of the platform where it was created, which isn't possible with traditional games. That implies NFTs representing in-game objects can be purchased and sold on any NFT marketplace for fiat currency. These NFTs have real-world value since they are scarce. Number 4. Taking advantage of your social media following. New NFT creators and projects frequently seek for extra traction to increase their NFT floor price. So if you have a strong following on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Discord, or YouTube, you'll have an edge over competitors you could offer to assist these small creators in promoting their accounts in exchange for free NFTs. It's not really a requirement to have a large following to do this, but this method of getting free NFTs does require some effort, because you will need to locate projects that have promise first. After that, you should contact their accounts and offer them sponsored posts. Before I mention the last tip, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get more make money online content. Number 5. Create your own NFT and sell them for free. You can create your own NFT by minting it on a blockchain with some decentralized applications or dApps. Although it's important to remember that just because anyone can make an NFT doesn't mean it's valuable. The value of owning an NFT is completely subjective, although some benefits are proof of ownership and community incentives. You acquire a verified ledger of all transaction history when you buy these assets on the blockchain, making ownership and overall history totally transparent. Once you've minted your NFTs, you can seek out creators who already have NFTs and offer them a swap for you. Users can mint, purchase, and transfer ownership of NFTs on Polygon's blockchain for free using Polygon's Layer 2 solution. This offers you an opportunity to start free and play it safe. Although this appears to be a simple strategy, there's a lot of work involved. Creating an NFT for free and finding someone willing to trade theirs for free in exchange for yours is very time-consuming. But in the end, if you don't want to invest money, you might as well choose to invest your time, effort, and strategy instead. In conclusion, if you want to get a taste of the NFT market, then getting NFTs for free is a great way to get started. However, keep in mind that there will be a lot of scammers out there who will try to make things difficult for you. To get ahead of the majority of people who are trying to get free NFT tokens, it would help if you try your best to avoid any flashy deals and just follow trustworthy accounts on social media and follow news from prominent websites. I'd like to know what you think about this video, so leave a comment down below and I'll respond to a few. Also check out my video on how to make $400 weekly just by typing.